welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So we've got a new wig for you guys from Klaiyi Hair. This is their auburn, reddish, brownish, kinky straight unit, you guys. I believe this is in 20 inches. But as always, make sure you check the description box. So here is just a close-up of everything. You guys, I did not do anything to this unit. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do any additional plucking. This basically came ready to wear. You've got your standard wig cap, or wig construction, I should say. Not a lot of parting space in the middle or on the side. So keep that in mind whenever you are just planning out your style. And I wanted to show you guys, this is with the light that I have on. And then this is the color without any light if I was just like going through the house. So I know this color may seem to scare some of you guys away, but it's pretty different just depending on the light that you are in, which is why I love it. And it's fall, like we are like just a week away from fall, you guys. I'm excited about it. One of my favorite seasons. For this tutorial, we are starting out with a trending hairstyle, which you guys already saw. I'm doing a whole ponytail with a little bit in the front, and then I ended up showing you just the hair down and then clipped up, which is all three are just trending right now. But yeah, as far as the melt goes on this lace, the lace was really good, you guys. The wig didn't quite fit me all the way properly. I needed probably like another half of an inch and it would have been perfect, but I did my best. I made it work as best as I could. I'm using my even lace spray, which is my only thing that I use right now to get my lace all nice and melted, and then just using a little bit of alcohol to clean up any excess. Make sure you do not skip this part, especially if like whatever you're using, your hairspray has been running all over your face, because then it's going to make it hard for you to apply your makeup and it's just gonna look like a sticky mess. So after I've done that, you guys, I'm just gonna go in and quickly flat iron this hair. This hair can be flat ironed up to 450 degrees, just an FYI, but it was really thick. It was really thick for me. And when it comes to kinky straight hair, I just like to flat iron it. I actually really go in and like take smaller sections, but I didn't want all of the volume loss with this particular unit. So I'm just taking big chunks and just running my flat iron through, you guys. And yeah, just kind of getting a little bit of that volume out of it so we can go ahead and proceed with our style. But the hair is nice, you guys. The hair is always nice. It's nice and soft. The color is just beautiful. Like, this is a really pretty, like, is it burgundy? Is it red? Is it reddish brown? I don't know, you guys, but I was so excited about this color, like I always am during this time of year. All right, y'all, so next I'm just gonna hit my part. So I just parted my hair down the middle. I'm using my Kiss wax stick. You can get a wax stick from anywhere, and just making sure I really flatten that part down. There's nothing like having a bulky like part. Oh, it just drives me nuts. Anyways, I'm just gonna take my hot comb and just, you guys know what to do. Just press down nice and firm. Be careful not to burn yourself or anything like that. And then I'm gonna move on with just sectioning my hair out and just laying my edges and all that great stuff. All right, y'all, next step, we are just parting everything out. So I'm doing two pieces in the front, not making them too thick, but of course, make them how you like, okay? I think mine are kind of like right in the middle. With this being kinky hair, I just didn't want to overdo it for, just for my liking. And it's super humid. It was humid this day, so I really wasn't trying to do the most around my face. And then I'm just plucking a little bit of hair just to try and give it a little bit of like scalpage going on, because I didn't pluck this beforehand. That's of course optional, but I think it's definitely, take like 30 seconds to do it. It's not hard to do and it's really quick, and it can make a difference in your hair as well. Next, I'm going in with my bold hold gel. I didn't use any foam. Typically using foam is what I do. I was about to say it's okay. It's basically what I do. Y'all know I will bring out my design essentials foam and lay my edges. But because this is kinky hair, the foam doesn't really do the best around like when I'm doing edges. So I'm just using this bold hold gel and it does the job. I have a question for you guys. Do you guys put your makeup on before doing your wig, or do you do it like I do and do it after? Because I cannot put makeup on first and then lay my edges and do my wig and all that kind of stuff. I just feel like it gets cakey. It just becomes a mess whenever I see it on certain people, you know what I mean? So I'm just curious which step you do and why you do it that way. All right, y'all, after this, I'm just curling the hair and pinning it up. Like I said, it's been humid up here for a couple days in Connecticut. And I'm just like, whoo, I feel like I'm back home in Houston some days. That's like how humid it has been. But yeah, just pinning it up. Once I got everything nice and curled the way I want it, I'm just going to use my Tresemme hairspray and spray all over to really hold these curls. And I ended up letting these curls sit for about 20 minutes, y'all, because I was like, I do not need them to fall, which they did. Anyways, it really took no time for these curls to fall. So that was the only sucky thing, was that I could not get a curl or anything to hold. And I actually ended up curling this hair twice, one off camera, and then you'll see me go in with a smaller little wand, like a pencil wand sort of kind of. I'll show you guys how I did that on camera because I wanted the curls a little bit tighter, and that still fell. So just make sure, if you plan on doing this style or you plan on curling your hair, like when you're using this particular kind of texture, make sure you do it early enough and set it really well with hairspray, and just let it be before you take the curls out so that your curls won't fall. All right, y'all, so that was the hard part. That was really the most time-consuming part of this whole style, was just curling the hair. Now we're just undoing everything, and I'm just going to very carefully, really as best as I could, y'all, I just brought the hair up on top of my head, kind of as high as I could get it, and then just, of course, tied it up with an elastic. I didn't like rake the curls or anything like that. I just wanted them to be like as tight as possible, but as you see, they still ended up falling. So I just went back in with my smaller little pencil curling wand. Y'all, this is one of the best hair tools I think I have ever found, used, all that great stuff. I was super happy right here because this thing gets so hot and curls so quickly. It took me no time to go ahead and curl the ponytail part of my hair. And so that's what I'm doing right here, you guys. Sprayed it with a little hairspray, and you'll see the final result in just a minute. And then I'll go on in and show you the other two really quick hairstyles that you can also do with this beautiful reddish brown kinky straight unit. Next, you guys, the other style I'm gonna do is, y'all are loving anything that deals with a clip right now. So I'm just taking those pieces that I had out, I'm adding to them, adding a little bit of hairspray, and then of course pulling those two pieces right here in the front, just behind on the back of my neck, tying them up with an elastic or rubber band. And then I pulled out a little bit more on my sideburn, some longer pieces, and I'm just hitting them with my little curling wand, and I'm just throwing my hair up in a clip. I absolutely love this style, y'all. If y'all saw me on TikTok or Instagram, this is the hair that I'm wearing from Klaiyi Hair. This is the color, this is the everything. Like, how cute is this? I love this style, you guys. I haven't done this style in so long. And then of course I had to just show you guys the hair with just it all being down. That is it for this video, you guys. Make sure you check the description box. Everything you need will be down there. Make sure you subscribe as well and give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye. If somebody's ever tell me who